Welcome! In front of me I have TICWATCH Pro S, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. After the screen wakes up, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. So tap on the settings icon to enter. Here, find the option called the system, and once you find it, tap on it. Next, find the option called disconnect and reset, and after you find it, tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though that performing this reset, it will remove all of your data from your watch. Also, make sure that the battery is at least above 20 or 30% before you start, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, so let's now tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And once you see this welcome message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.